Introduce highlight features and summary overview of Homdox Pressure Washer Power Washer Cleaner 1800 Watt with Power Hose Gun Turbo Wand. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Homdox Pressure Washer Power Washer Cleaner 1800 Watt with Power Hose Gun Turbo Wand. Highlight features or overview summary. Open the door to the art of cleaning. Homdox High Pressure Washer make outdoor cleaning easier than ever with powerful pressure washer. Blast away accumulated grime with 3000 psi of pressure to make your car, walkway, porch, and home look like new. We has a single goal in mind, to make the smart life easier. That means start. The Homdox pressure washer has a 1800 watts motor and a maximum pressure of 3000 psi, making it ideal for everyday cleaning tasks. Making it quick and easy to clean any dirt as you need. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.